Hi, everyone. This is Miriam Linderman, and I'm I, like you, are a little bit surprised, if not greatly surprised, by what's been going on in the world. The most unexpected, maybe not, yes, the most unexpected event, certainly in my lifetime. So, what I know that works is just to ride the wave of whatever goes on inside. It isn't helpful to me to get annoyed if I have a lot of emotions come up or not feeling that great. Sometimes I feel peaceful. Sometimes I just want to watch TV and just zone out. Whatever it is that happens or comes, I ride with it because there's no judgment in it. And it's about accepting what's going on to the extent that I can. And some days I have some good moments and some days I don't. And so I guess I want to start there because that is something that we have no control over what just happened or pretty much anything. And so being compassionate and kind with ourselves really helps a lot. I had planned to have a workshop online with women, as I have in the past. I have shifted my focus to invite people who love writing, women who love writing. I really truly believe that our voices matter. They matter because we get to know who we are as we express ourselves, as we write. We discover this unique individual that we are, all while knowing that we're part of something bigger and bigger than ourselves. So it was already in the works. And for those of you who know me, I have a structure when I work, when I do workshops with women, and I'm also informal, meaning casual is best, relaxed is best. For me, it is who I am. And so I'm hoping that the people that come to spend time in this workshop also are okay with that. I'm not fire hosing anyone with information. In fact, it's going to be a dance and exploration of all kinds of different things, because what I know is that getting closer to the true self that we are, getting closer to silence, allows us to listen to what wants to come through us. And writing comes through us. And we get into trouble, we get into blocks and constipation of thoughts when we come with our own agendas about what we think we should be writing and how we should be writing and what we should be doing. And that's not exactly how creativity works. Creativity wants to come through you and loves to bypass your mind and your thinking process so that you're actually doing what you need to be doing rather than what you think you should be doing. So, the circle that I'm bringing together of women is for people who love to go inward. It's going to be intimate and low key and casual and conversational. And um, everything that I share with you is what I'm also learning and having to remember. I have to remember that when I listen to that inner silence, something comes through me. And then I can take dictation and write. And I want to show you how easy that is. Now, you may be an artist, you may be a quilter, you may love collage, you may not just and only be a writer. So, but you are invited because you will find your way through your own tool. And the beautiful part is that you get to sit with some remarkable women, because we really are remarkable, each in our ways. And you can ask questions, and we experiment with different things. You'll see. And together we share something that's precious and that calls us. So, the other thing that I want to say is this is a pay from your heart event. If you have the full amount and you can pay that full amount, that's terrific, because I don't have an income other than the work I do here. And so that would be great. But if this is a time where you're kind of stressed financially, then any contribution is a great contribution. That's what I do know. And what matters is that you show up here and that you be part of, and that we spend time together. I hope this is a good invitation for you. And please, I am available. Whether or not you decide to take this program, I still want to hear from you, because if you have shown up for this, or if you're on the list of people that I've been in contact with for several years, we belong to each other's tapestry of life, and you matter to me. So don't hesitate. And I'm sending you love and lots of courage for this time, and be gentle with yourselves. Thank you so much. And I look forward to receiving any of you. Bye for now. Bye for now, but we're still here. And it's very good to be with you.